Well, top of the morning, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. Wanted to offer this reminder video that the Saint Albans Museum in Saint Albans, Vermont is on their last week of the 2022 season with free admission. Free! Anyway, I can't recommend it enough. 3 glorious floors of historical items and photographs, and who doesn't love that stuff? Isn't that why we go to museums? I mean, come on. So their hours are, they're open Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Wednesday and Friday, they're open 11 to 4, and Saturday, October 15th, that's the last day, 10 to 2. Let me share with you some of the rooms they have there to help you decide to go. But it's free, people. Why don't you want to go? Let me pull myself back here. They have a women's room, the Smith room, the military room, cool uniforms. Ooh, really cool uniforms. What else do they have? Oh, the railroad room. Let me pull up my handy dandy sheet, my former phone. Let me see what else they have. The Sterling Weed display. He was a musician. I think he died when he was in his 90s. That's just incredible. Oh, they have the medical room. The historic classroom. I taught for nearly 20 years, so the historic classroom was so cool. It was, and I got to stand in the front of the room when I got a private tour with Lisa Evans, the museum's director, before the place opened. So when we walked into the historic classroom, you walk into it where this teacher's desk is up front, and the students' desks are in front of the teacher's desk. So it's a really nice place to stand in front, and just flooded me with all sorts of great memories of the years I taught. Mind you, I taught primarily adults. And they have my favorite room of all was the farming Franklin County. You know what's interesting about that too is it was there that I saw this item first, this treadmill that animals walked to do whatever they could power with that. But I also saw that at the Brick House Museum in Georgia, and again, the Sheldon Historical Society Museum. So I'm a city gal. I never saw anything like that before. So cool. And I know that you're going to love it as well. So this last week. So the money that you're saving by not paying the admission price, spend it in their store. They have T-shirts. They have some sort of glassware. I forget what the glassware was now, but they had some of that. Books. Who doesn't love books? Postcards. And we're not talking the cheesy, junky stuff they have nowadays. These were, most of them were these really thicker, high quality postcards. I don't know how to date postcards. But I know they're older. The printing on the back was definitely an older style, and just really high quality. Great stuff. These were not photographs, as I recall, but they were wonderful postcards of St. Albans scenes. So definitely worth buying. And when I bought some, they were $1 a pop. $1 a pop. What postcards can you buy anywhere for 25 cents? Yeah, I don't know either. So remember, they close, once they close at 2 o'clock on October 15, 2022, they're closed for the 2022 season. So this is their last week. You see the timestamp on the video is October 11, 2022. So they're open again Wednesday and Friday, 11 to 4, and Saturday, 10 to 2. And again, tell them Traveling for History sent you. Alrighty. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm on all the social media. You are too. Traveling for History, 1L in traveling. And I'm on TikTok. The only place I'm not traveling for history is on Twitter, where I'm traveling for Hi 1. Traveling for HI with a numeral 1. So until I see you again, have a fabulous day, people. Have fun. Have a good day. Don't let the twists that get you down. Alrighty. This is Patricia. I'm traveling for history, and I've got some great stuff coming up. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.